Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the input and output decorators. Which is used to transfer the data from parent to child and child to parent. Mostly we are using this decorator for that purpose. So, let's get started with an input and output decorators. So, here input decorator is used to transfer the data from parent to child. Coming to the output decorator, it can be transfer the data from child to parent. So we can see an example in briefly. So here I can take a, for example, I'm taking this is a parent component. In the parent component I'm giving title 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 equal to variable code. So title variable code, I want to transfer the data from the parent to child. So here I'm giving app child, app user, this is a child. So yeah, now parent and child components are added into this parent component. Now we can transfer the data, right? So here I want to transfer the data of this. Actually I want to um, value here, title I want to transfer. So I value, I'm giving this value in the child component with input decorator at the rate input. So then we need to include this. Yes, value string equal to, okay. So I will provide this value here. You can see variable code here. Actually this variable code I have given in the parent, so now it's displaying under the child component. How it is, you can see here, users component.html is a parent component. I have given a property binding for this value. This title value I have given in the ts file. Then this value can be bind by using the input decorator in the child component. So it will reflect it into the child component. So that is a use of property input decorators in this. And coming to the output decorators, I will this is the parent one. In the parent one, so in the parent ts file I'm giving some greet. In the greet, this is a method I'm giving. So alert hello variable code. So I want to reflect this alert box here. So an app child in the parent ts file, html file I'm giving that is a method I'm calling greet event. Okay. mm, Greet event, that I'm calling greet method. Okay. So here a greet event should be placed in the, so coming to this html place in child component, I'm giving one button. In this button click me. Okay, click me in this in this button. I'm giving, when I clicked on that it will reflect, right? When I clicked on that it will reflect. So this method will be called. So this will be in the child component.ts file I'm giving, and in this method I am giving uh, first of all we need to output decorator. Capital O should be placed. Capital O output decorator. In the output decorator I am giving greet event. So we have to, here we have already given that HTML greet event. I have to copy and I will paste here. I will place here this greet event, new event enter. Yeah, new event emitter. So we can place this one. Okay, here we have initialize this new element. So here this dot, greet event. So we have already taken this greet event. We have given this emit, and after that when I clicked on this, yeah, we go to this, and yeah, hello variable code is coming. So what happened, it is exactly in the parent component I have given greet event. In this I have taken this app user. This is a child component. When I clicked on this, output decorator should be taken for this create event. This method already in the parent. This method, this is in the component, child component. So greet event should be in the child component. So yeah, here we have taken output decorator and greet event. So this can be a new event emitter we have given. So it will be work. So event should be raised, then only it will be work. So call parent method. So why we have taken this, we have given the when I clicked on this method will be reflected, right? So I have given this call parent greet this dot greet emit value. So it will be reflected. So coming to that, so if I want to give some name, so in the place of in the place of variable code I am giving this name, for example. So I want to reflect this one. So here I will give emit this dot name. Okay, I will limit this dot name here, and I will go to that place and I will give the HTML. In the method we have given this hello, so plus name, and it should be string. So it will be reflect. So in this greet also you have to give a in the greet also you have to give a event. Now it will be reflect. Okay, so hello Dinesh. So that is the concept of output decorator. I hope you understand well. I will explain once again for you. uh, we have discussed the input and output decorator here. Coming to the parent and child, I have given this value here, variable code. This should be placed in the user.html. This is a child component, so it will be reflected. So because of that input decorator, this is reflected into the child component. Coming to the output decorator, when I when I clicked on the child component button, so it will reflect. When I clicked on this method, this method call and call parent greet method will be called. In the call parent method, what I have given, this dot greet event dot emit, this dot name, this value should be reflected. So I have taken this create event as output and a new event emitter is taken. So in place of name I have taken this one. Yeah, then it will be reflected into that parent component. So uh, I have given this alert box in the parent. So this is already taken name, so it will reflect it into that alert box. So that is the output decorator concept. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.